Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Count Your Blessings. Hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to share with you how to make simple eggless banana cake. So without further ado, let's get started. So for this recipe, I've taken 4 small bananas and I mashed them up with a fork. And then I added damra sugar. You can add either white sugar or cane sugar. I added 50 grams of sugar and gave it a good mix. Next, I added 50 grams of butter. This is salted butter. If you use unsalted butter, you need to add a little bit of salt. And then in another vessel, I've taken 200 grams of maida. And added 3 tablespoons of baking powder. I gave it a quick mix and then added the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. And then I added around 75 ml of milk. Stir it up to get a good cake batter. And set it aside. Now I preheated the oven at 180 degrees and took a cake pan and buttered it and floured it. You add butter and then flour on top so that the cake does not stick to the pan. Now I poured the cake batter onto the pan, tapped it to release the air bubbles and sprinkled some extra sugar for a slight crunch. And then I place it into the oven. Degrees preheated oven and baked it for 25 minutes. The timing may vary from oven to oven, so once the time is up, do the fork test, and if the fork comes out clean, your cake is done. Poke the fork in the center of the cake, and if it's clean, your cake is done. Now for the final reveal. Let's turn it over and see how it's come out. Dun, da, da, da. And that's it. Your simple eggless banana cake is ready. cut it and dig into it. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Until next time, take care. God bless. Bye-bye. Smile, Jesus loves you. You can see how soft it is. The sugar sprinkled